You guys gonna subscribe, man? You guys gonna subscribe right now? You gonna subscribe? You ain't gonna subscribe. You ain't getting out. You ain't getting out. You guys gonna subscribe, man? All right, cool. Subscribe down below, man. This is the upgrade situation, man. Let me catch focus. Let me catch focus. Let me catch focus. Hold on. I'm waiting for it. There we go, man. This is Mr. 300, man. This channel is called the upgrade situation, man. This is the whip. This right now, man, 2018 Chrysler 300. This is my baby, man. I really like this car, man. It has a lot of good features, man. I really like the speed, the way it looks. You got the sunroof. You got everything I need, man. Got the leather seats, man. Got a little speed. It sound cool. You know, it ain't nothing too crazy or not, man. I like the lights. I'm not gonna show you guys the license plate number or nothing like that, but you know, it's nice, man. I like it, man. It's pretty dope. But my baby, this is my baby, man. Be sure, man. Hope you guys having a great day, man. I forgot Mr. 300 here. The shop in the background right now is not the shop that's actually working on my car, so it's not a paid or any sponsorship or nothing like that, man. I'm just in here. My car is parked here, but hope you guys having a great day, man. And I just want to take a look at my baby, man. This is my baby, man. This is a 2009 Chrysler 300, man. It's giving me so many problems, man, but I love this car, man. I just got it at the shop right now. They're looking at it. They're, you know, pretty much working everything out, man. Gonna get it back on the road. I got plenty of mods coming for you guys, man. But before we get there, man, like I said, man, this is my baby. It's giving me so many problems, man. I've replaced the engine. I did control arms. I've done so much with this car, man, but yet and still I love it. You know, that's why I kind of made my name, you know, Mr. 300, because I just love the cars, man. Like, I'm a big guy or whatever, so they still stylish. Yeah, they got rims. They got all that, man. Just haven't, you know, I haven't driven it in a while. That's the new one. That's the new one. This is the old one. So just imagine, man, when I get this boy on the road, man, I promise you guys, man, I'm doing all type of mods with it. You know, I'm gonna show you guys all the damage, man. I was going to work one time, man, super late. And actually, I was out super late, and I was going to work the next day, man. I hit the little railing or whatever. I also did it up here. Same railing, man, the same situation. Out late. Hold on, can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Hold on, I'm just gonna let it focus. Let me go back and get the other one, man. See if I can get that to focus. I don't know if you guys are gonna really be able to see it because of the light. But yeah, you know, you guys can see it. Yeah, man, that's the only damage really on the car, man. I'm probably gonna wrap it. I got an exhaust coming, man. I wanna do so much with this car, man. Comment down below, man, for sure, if you guys got any ideas on what I should do to the car, man, because I'm probably gonna mod this one up the most. You know, I'm gonna mod this one up the most because it's older, you know, and it's just funner to do cars, you know, run them to the dirt when you really don't care about them, man. I hope I don't run it to the dirt, but I hope I do a lot of cool stuff with it, man. So, you know, comment down below, man, what I should do to it. Comment down below if I should, you know, the color of the wrap I should do. Comment down below if I should get an exhaust. I think that's mandatory. I'm gonna get an exhaust. I don't know if I'm gonna really mess with the engine much, but I'm definitely gonna do something, you know. Thought I saw somebody over there, I don't know. If I go to jail tonight, man, I didn't get like authorization, you know, or anything to look at the car or whatever, so I'm in front of the shop. Like I said, man, I just wanted to come look at the car, man, just see what the situation was with it. But hope you guys having a great day, man. This is actually not, you guys can tell it's light night, you know, you can tell, I hope, man. But anyway, man, I'm gonna get back in the car.